In this video, we're going to be going over the next section. Welcome back to our dirty. Oh my god. Welcome back. Hi guys.
Thanks for joining us in this video.
And welcome back to our Dirty Dancing video series. In this video, we're going to be going over the next section of the Dirty Dancing video choreography and discussing how to do all of these moves with our partner. If you want to check out the musicality and the timing for these moves, be sure to check out our musicality video on the same section. Otherwise, have a look at our earlier videos to get all caught up. Let's get into it.
To the show.
Alright, now let's take a look at the footwork for the leads for this section. Okay, so to start off with, we're in a closed position with our follow. We're going to take a rock step on our left and then bring her up into the hip lift. So we're taking a rock step on our left foot to the side, pushing into our follow, and then bringing her up. And as we do that, we're going to kind of lower ourselves down so that she can actually get her hip above our hip. So once again, we'll be here, and then we'll take a rock step on our left, move down, and then scoop her up onto our hip, and then we're gonna go left, right, and then we're going to turn her, and as we do, we're going to left, right, rock step to the side once more on our left, and then as she's coming across us and turning to our other side, we're going to take a rock step to our right. And then we're all set.
Now let's go over the follower steps. So we're going to start by going back with our right foot for the rock step. And then we're going to go into a hip lift. So if you'd like more information on this lift, feel free to check out our hip lift video. We'll put the link in the description box below. So we're going to straighten our right knee as we go up and keep our left leg bent. So we're going to do a couple turns here, and then we're going to come down starting with our right foot and turn to our right. So we're going to go right, left, and then rock step with our right foot, replace our weight to the left, and then we're going to turn to our left starting with our right foot, right, and left.
Okay, now let's have a look at the lead and follow for this section. Okay, so starting from our closed position, we're going to take that rock step once again, applying this light pressure with the left hand to kind of ease into the rock step, and then come back. And as we come back from the rock step leads, we're going to make sure we're lowering our hips down at least to the level of the follow's hips. And we're also going to take this left hand and we're going to bring it down so that our palm is facing up, so that the follow has a nice kind of platform to rest her weight upon.
So followers, we want to make sure that we have our core engaged, we have tension in our left hand pressing down, keeping us elevated, and then also with our right hand or arm we are extending and straight here so that we can stay upright.
Exactly, and finally leads, we're also going to move this arm down a little bit to get a nice firm hold on the follow as we're bringing her across. So we'll show from this side, so we'll do rock step and then bring her up. And then as we set her down, we're going to bend our knees a little bit so she doesn't fall. And then we're also going to bring this left arm back up to turn her, keeping her inside the reach of this right arm so that we can do a closed position rock step. And then bring her across us and raise the left hand for another turn, remove the right arm, and rock step. All right, now let's take a quick look at the connection and styling. Okay, so our connection and our frame is going to be very important when we're getting into this lift. We're going to use our frame to kind of elevate the follow, and then we're going to lower down our legs so we can get her hip above our hip in preparation for that lift.
So follows making sure that we move our hand from a closed position frame, rotating your left hand, rotating it right so that you can press down here on his shoulder.
Yeah, exactly, and that's going to help take some of the burden off the leads as well while we're executing that lift. And then once we have the follow in the air, leads, we're just going to work about providing a solid platform and rotating smoothly.
And follows making sure that you point both feet and remembering that the right leg is straight and the left leg is bent here.
All right, so we'll just go through that slowly for you. So we'll do our rock step and then lift. And then setting the follow down once again, remembering to bend our knees so we don't just plop the follow onto the ground.
And as we go through follows, you're going to bring your hand down and you can extend and then go back into the closed position as you rock step.
And leads, we're going to keep our right arm out. We're keeping the follow inside of this circle. She's going right back into that kind of position where we're ready to take another rock step. So we'll take a rock step and bring her across.
In follows, you can bring your hand in, And then as you pass him, bring it back out.
And then once we've finally gotten her out of our right arm leads, now we can style with it. So we'll just put the palm facing down and take our rock step.
Welcome you to the show.
Thanks for joining us, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more content by Green Bay Ballroom. If you want to check out how all of these moves line up with the timing of the song, be sure to check out our musicality video in the same section. Otherwise, have a look at our earlier videos to get all caught up. We hope to see you there. Bye.
Bye.